Come on. Good girl. Oh, that was a big thump. Yeah, we get a camera so we can have a little bit more overview of how they are behaving, or rather misbehaving. So it's a massive room. They're gonna enjoy it much better. So that is Beyonce thumping there, asking questions. Where is this? Either in excitement or in anger, whichever way we will see. But yeah, the same way they're gonna go around, smell, sniff, and map out what they're going to do. And that's why give them time to settle in. They will need time to settle in and work out what to do where. I know they are curious to know what's in that box there. I've closed it now because I want them to not think that it's a place where they go and wee wee and poo poo, a litter box. I want them to map the area without including there for now, and then maybe a week later I'll open that side for them. That way they will not be defecating in there, and they will use it for hopefully its purpose. So at this point it's all new to all of them. It's all brand new to them. So you see the advantage of giving them a higher room. They are able to stretch their whole length in the room, scaring each other. Oh yes, Beyonce went up first. That's something different and new for them to see. They like new stuff. So Beyonce is on top of the nesting box, so that will be another chill out place for them if they want to. It's so much room. Gives me so much joy to see them in this happy state where they are so happy, so much happy. And that corner there as well, it looks like somewhere they can go and hide if they choose to. They like to be mischievous. And look at what Sakina is doing. Shakira is trying to climb from there. Why would you do that? Why, Shakira? Why? But here they are in their new room, and I'm sure they're going to adapt so well. They're going to love it. Let me know in the comment section what you think and how you think I should make changes. What do you think? The height of the room is 3 feet. So what do you think? What can I do? What should I do? And it's all for the two of them. I want to experiment a little bit and see how they are going to be behaving. It appears they are a bit confused. That's normal. They will all settle very soon. See, Beyonce is trying to go through the same area where Shakira was. They'll work it out. They'll be able to move and climb and stuff like that. They'll be able to do that. But they need time to map out what they are doing. They need time. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated in a week. Let's see how settled they are, and let's see if they have any problems. I'll bring you in and we are going to learn how rabbits behave together. Rabbito Farmino. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and let's see if we can help this rabbit or if they can help us. Rabbito Farmino, Shakira and Beyonce. There they come. Shakira, Beyonce, Beyonce.